Okay, here we are on page 146, number 15. Okay, so we've got a 50% chance of having our friend answer the phone when we call. If he doesn't answer, we keep calling. In fact, we do it 4 times. Let's do a tree diagram and see what that looks like. So the first time I call, 50% chance either he answers or he doesn't answer. 50, 50. Now, if he answers, I'm not calling again. But if he didn't answer, I'm calling again. And once again, if he didn't answer, I'm going to call again. And I just keep on repeating this every time he doesn't answer, I call again. Now I do that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times he didn't answer. Now I'm done. I'm not calling him back. So that's the probability tree for calling and trying and not getting answered 4 times. Now, if X is going to be the number of unanswered calls, and they got this table set up for me, obviously it could be unanswered 0 times, 1 time. Look at the 1. All right, 1/4. That's 0.5 times 0.5, or 1/2 times 1/2. All right, all I got to do is go down the tree. So for 0 times, well, that's going to be 1/2. He answers it. He doesn't get any unanswered calls. Now, 2 unanswered, well, that's going to be 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2. Because he's going to not answer it and then answer it. That's going to be 1/8. 3 unanswered means it's going to be 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2, and then times another half when he answers. That's going to be 1/16. And then again, for the 4 no answers, that's going to be also 1/16, because it's just 1/2 to the 4th power. If you add those up, you get a 1, so you know you're good shape. So that's the distribution table. Now for part 3, they want to calculate the expected number of unanswered calls. Well, that's just the expected value, and all I've got to do is multiply these. 1 times 1/4 is 1/4. 2 times 1/4 or 1/8 is 2/8. 3 times 1/16 is 3/16. 4 times 1/16 is 4/16. You can see what I'm doing here. You don't got to type every single thing in the calculator if you don't need to. So anyway, when I add all this up, I'm going to get 15/16, which is going to be about 0.9375 or 0.938 to 3 significant figures. All right, hope that helped. Thanks for watching.